Hello and welcome to the practice everyone. Today we are going to do all the yoga poses related to thyroid. अगर आपको thyroid है तो आपको ये योगा सेशन डेली बेसिस पे करना है. Within a 15 days you will feel the result. Welcome to Neelsutrayoga. चलिए start करते हैं. First we have to do our neck warm up. So inhale up and exhale down. Continue to 3 times. Now we will do left and right. Inhale center, exhale right. Inhale center, exhale left. Repeat it 6 times. 3 times one side, 3 times to another side. Now we will do the full neck rotation. Inhale down and exhale up. Rotate to 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti-clockwise. Now we will do the shoulder movement. Inhale, shoulder up, hold and roll over, exhale. Again, inhale, shoulder up, hold and exhale. Again, inhale, hold and exhale. Relax. Now we will do the finger stretch. Close tight and open, close tight and open. Now we will do the fist rotation clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now we will do the full shoulder rotation. Hold your elbow and do full shoulder rotation clockwise and anti-clockwise with both the hands. Now we will do the chest opener. Inhale, chest open and exhale, hug yourself as you will come down. We will do 3 times. Continue. Now we will the full rotation for our stomach. Inhale and do. We will do it clockwise and anti-clockwise. Continue. Now we will touch our foot or toes as you are comfortable. Now come to the cat and cow pose. We will stretch here 7 cat and cow pose. You can do according to your cell phone. Inhale up, exhale, roll over down. Again, inhale up, exhale, roll over down. Continue. Slowly come down. We will hold the bhujang pose here for 10 to 20 seconds. Hold. Continue. slowly come down and rest in the child pose. Now we will touch our heel with one hand and spread upward another hand, Ardha Ustrasana. Slowly come up and do with the another side. Now touch your heel with another hand and slowly take your hands up. Stretch your body forward. Now we will do the full Ustrasana. Hold your heel with both the hands and stretch forward. Come and rest in the child pose again. Now we will do the fish pose. Lie down slowly. Now you have to lift your chest up and touch your head to the ground. Hold this pose. Inhale and exhale through your nose. Now lift your leg up. We will hold our back, Sarvangasana, full legs up. This will increase the blood circulation towards your neck area. Continue. Now slowly come down. After this, we will do the halas. Now lift your leg up. We will do the halasana and touch your toes to the ground. Hold the position. Now slowly relax. Now we will hold the bridge pose, or you can lift your hip up and down as you are comfortable. So you have to hold the pose for 20 seconds, or you have to repeat the hip up and down for 5 to 10 times. Continue. Now we will hold the reverse plank. You can hold this pose 10 to 20 seconds. Now we will hold the Viprit Karni plank. Hold this pose for 20 to 20 seconds. Now slowly come back. Now we will do slowly take your legs on the wall. We will do the wall plank. If you can do this pose, then you should try. Otherwise, no need to do this wonderful pose for your neck area. All the blood circulation will come towards your face. Continue and relax. Relax directly in the child pose as you are comfortable. Can hold the child pose for 10 to 20 seconds. Now hug your both the knees. Pavan Mukta Asana. Touch your head to your knees. Continue. Now slowly come down and lie down in the Shavasana. Relax in the Shavasana. As you are comfortable, you can slowly sit up. We will do pranayama. जिससे ब्लड सर्कुलेशन हमारे फेस एरिया पे या नेक एरिया पे आए, उसी की तरह से हम यहाँ पे प्राणायाम भी वही करेंगे जो हमारे थायराइड को ठीक करें. तो सबसे पहले हम करते हैं यहाँ पर उज्जयी ब्रीदिंग. यू हैव टू टेक डीप इनहेल through your neck area and slowly hold and exhale through your nose. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your nose. After this, you have to repeat this situation. If you want to close your one nostril, you can close and deep inhale through your neck area in the Ujjayi breath. Inhale, hold, and slowly exhale. Focus on the neck area. Now we will do Anulom Vilom with both the nostril. Fold your index and middle finger in the Vishnu Mudra. Another hand will be rest on the Chin Mudra. You have to close your one nostril, inhale through another, then release through another and exhale slowly. Continue this process. Inhale through left, exhale through right. Now inhale through right and exhale through left. One time, one nostril you have to use. Continue this process 10 to 15 times. Now we will do the Bhramari Pranayama. You have to close your eyes with your middle finger and ring finger and close your ears with your thumb. Now inhale through your nose and exhale the sound with the closed mouth. Continue. Inhale through nose and exhale with the sound of Continue. You can repeat it 10 to 15 times or 5 to 7 times. Now slowly relax and feel the vibration around you. Relax yourself and give 2 minutes to yourself for relaxation and continue in the meditation if you want to continue. Relax. Now slowly rub your hands, warm up properly, put on your eyes, slowly look up the sky first and to the earth mata and do namaskar.